guys, welcome back to our channel. It's your girl Unique
and it's your girl Shelly,
and we're back with another video.
Sorry about not posting last week. We had a funeral to attend and emotionally we're not in the mindset, so we said okay, we put it off until this week. So before we get into our video, want to go ahead and follow us on all our social. That's Shelly Lisa B on Instagram and Shelly Lisa on Facebook, and go ahead and follow my business page. That's Forever Thoughts on Instagram and on Facebook. We are getting in our stocks for our official launch on November the 1st, so please stay tuned and follow
me on Instagram at Queen Yan Brown and on Facebook at Yanni Brown.
And don't forget our TikTok.
And TikTok.
Even though I won't.
Alright, shut up.
Okay, so the title of the video, you should know what's coming. We're gonna do the Smash, Married or Kill challenge. So let's get right into this video.
So we have some celebrities, but we already write them down. So we'll just go say them out
and then ask each other, like, would you smash, married or kill? I have one specific category that I am so interested to find out.
Wow.
No, when I reach here, I'll let you know. Go ahead. Are you saying first and then me?
I'm missing my first two celebrities.
Go.
Alright, so we'll do female and male, so it doesn't matter.
Right? Okay. I'll dip in the lady pan. Oh, go.
Listen. Alright. So first person is, would you, don't look on my book.
Okay.
So would you marry, first we have Beyonce,
Yes.
Jennifer Aniston, we're coming as friends, you know, are you?
Yeah.
Aniston, and then Oprah. So who should
No man, me have to kill Oprah off of the bat, even though she have her money. No, oh my god, old lady. I know people say Oprah have to go. I'm sorry. It's not all about the money.
So Oprah, you kill Oprah?
Me kill Oprah long time. No,
okay, and then
no old lady to my thing.
Oh, you're married.
Boy, I'm married. Being say give me over trouble, you know. I'm gonna make a song about Becky. I will, you know. I don't know.
Okay.
I'm probably just smash Beyonce and make she go on second down with Jennifer Aniston.
Okay.
So my turn. So my first one is, see, I should get a girl. I'm gonna do a girl as well. So Halle Berry, Ciara, and Beyonce, three fine ass girls. So let me see who you gonna kill.
Halle Berry. No, I'm not kill Halle Berry.
Ciara.
No, I kill Ciara yet.
But wait, Beyonce, you have to kill one.
Alright, me kill Ciara. Jesus Christ. Even though Ciara can dance. But me that mark Halle Berry. I'm not saying Halle Berry.
See, I just smash Beyonce and
just smash and pass.
Me too away.
Smash and pass Beyonce.
Okay.
Alright, my turn. Man. Will Smith, Ben Affleck. You know Ben Affleck?
But he don't look good again.
I don't know if you know him. And then Jay-Z.
Who don't know Ben Affleck? But he get fat now. No get fat.
You know him.
Alright. As much as Jay-Z have money, I don't know. Each to his own. Jay-Z is just not my type, so I'll kill Jay-Z.
So Jay-Z, kill Jay-Z.
Yes. Why? Me a settle down with me and Will in our entanglement.
Of course.
Settle down with Will.
Alright.
Hello, married Will.
Alright.
And I'll smash Ben Affleck. Yeah, me smash him. Just one.
Okay, good.
Wanna move.
Okay, your turn.
Okay, so mine now is Kim, Chloe, and Kylie.
Why? Neither.
No, you have to listen. You have to go kill one, smash one, and marry one.
I like Kim Kardashian.
So you not kill she?
Me not kill Kim Kardashian. Me not tell no lie. Carly, me not married Kylie because Kylie seem.
No, $1 billion money you want.
Me not care about her $1 billion. She just I don't know. But Chloe, I don't really know much about Chloe, so I'm just smash Chloe and that's it. Kim Kardashian, I just not really know her. So that's my goal.
Okay.
Alright, your turn. So woman time now. Angelina Jolie, Miley Cyrus, or Taylor Swift.
Listen, I kill Miley Cyrus. Miley
Why?
Cyrus too much. I kill she right over the bat.
Okay, and then Taylor Swift.
Taylor Swift.
She too sad.
Too emotional, man.
Yeah, too sad.
No, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna smash her.
Smash her, leave her.
I'll
But she'll make a love song about it.
I make sure make a love song about it. But
Angelina Jolie.
those nice lush up lip. My wife that. Toop.
Oh no, see, I'm not sure. I don't know. But I get a different idea.
Okay, my turn now. So, T.I., Snoop Dogg, or DJ Khaled?
Jesus, where you get them people here from? Gone again. T.I. I love T.I. So me marry T.I. off the bat.
Or DJ Khaled?
Me know say me marry T.I. Period. And the DJ Khaled.
Jamaicans are watching. Hello Jamaicans.
What
Fellow
again?
Jamaicans.
Snoopy.
Snoop Dogg. Hello fellow Jamaicans. We're watching.
Snoop, we have much weed.
Hello fellow Jamaicans. We're watching.
Okay, but that.
Pick
Alright, Snoop Dogg because my one real OG. You see me I say, and then DJ Khaled in Kangwan.
Will you kill him?
Yeah, him kill him. He dead.
You kill for DJ Khaled?
DJ Khaled.
You need to,
Oh no, because he no yet.
You can't take it back and really kill DJ Khaled.
Well, it's my preference.
Me there, me say the fellow Jamaicans are watching. They really go kill DJ Khaled.
Me kill him in dead. I don't care. DJ Khaled. Make too much noise. Back. It's DJ. Okay, ready. Your turn. What me guess much woman from?
Me need to start investigate.
Alright, let me ask one man. Come and ask him a woman. Alright. Vin Diesel, Simon Cowell, and Kevin Hart.
Me I kill Simon Cowell. Simon Cowell too. He
Say
just
kill him?
something about Simon. Simon just I don't know if he turn me off.
Very
Yeah, he just always sulky. Me want not to
a
smash him.
lie.
Imagine you smash him or you married to somebody like that.
You feel like the people like that have a very soft heart. It's like him.
No, yeah, smash him. See me here.
I'm gonna be like, that was horrible.
Yeah.
Alright,
That was ridiculous. Did you really?
Okay, Vin
Do
Diesel.
that?
Fast and Furious.
Vin Diesel fast.
You know what I mean? Vin Diesel,
Like
Fast and Furious.
muscle and bugger.
Yeah, and from he come from Riddick too.
That bald, muscular, thick.
So about Kevin Hart.
No man.
Kevin Hart and Gay Bun.
Listen, listen. Me no smash Kevin Hart, make Kevin Hart go on.
Alright.
I understand, but you said Vin Diesel, me have to keep him. Can't one time say you have to keep him for
And keep it Fast and Furious.
Fast and Furious. Hey Vin Diesel. Hello. My turn.
Alright.
My turn. Bow Wow, Romeo, or Justin Bieber?
You know what to say. Bow. Who said she's gonna come out? Alright. Wait, the next one, Romeo. I'm not kill Romeo. I know that for sure. Romeo dead.
Romeo with a nice clean body?
Yeah, Romeo dead. But
With a nice
yes, indeed. No question asked.
Christian oriented and everything and everything you kill nice clean Romeo?
Indeed.
Really?
Indeed. Me tell you indeed. So either Justin Bieber or Bow Wow. Let me see. Me like Bow Wow, no, me like Bow Wow bad.
Bow Wow in short.
Me not care. Me like him. He just have a look nice look.
So Romeo have a look nice look?
But he get too much bun. Justin Bieber. Me like Justin Bieber.
No,
Alright, me don't marry Justin Bieber. Smash. When next one again?
Bow.
Yeah, one day,
You want Ely but you married Justin. Right. No, are you no, cause you want to sing to feel. No, because I want to sing Baby, picture perfect, baby,
No, what is sing?
I want the yummy, yummy, yummy. No, come guitar, please. Alright.
Alright, my one. Because my people my love. Alright. Brad Pitt. Tom Cruise. You know Brad Pitt, right? You did Angelina Jolie.
You know Brad Pitt.
Tom Cruise. You must know Tom Cruise. We
You
come
know
from
Tom
MIA.
Cruise.
Whatever.
You know Tom Cruise.
And then Cristiano Ronaldo, the football player.
Listen, me, I'm married Tom Cruise because no, because I'm man. If me not any problem, pow. Me, alright.
Pow.
Keep me protected.
But Brad Pitt, I same thing
No,
too, she said.
no. Me not smash Brad Pitt and me not kill
Cristiano Ronaldo.
Cristiano Ronaldo. Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay, good.
Osaka protect me.
Like pow, but I get kidnapped all the time. No man, I said. Then them man they target you with kidnap
But
you
at least you know
vaccine.
someone can rescue me. Don't worry yourself.
That's true. That's true.
Don't worry yourself. My turn. Jason Derulo. Black Panther.
Indeed, we can't think about that man.
No, Black Panther. We think about his looks.
Alright.
Black Panther or Chris Brown. The idea then.
Okay, the idea of him then. We say Jason married Chris Brown, my man. So me married with Chris Brown.
Mm-hmm.
Me go smash Jason.
And kill.
No, me go smash Black Panther and kill Jason Derulo.
Like, nice sexy body Jason.
Yeah, she listen.
Nice.
Wakanda forever.
No,
We don't give
no,
a shit.
we
What?
Nice. Take it, love. Take somebody, get somebody break. That the Jason there?
Yes, indeed.
With a nice chocolate
Yeah, she
skin.
listen. Me kill him. Me
With
no
the white
want
pretty
him.
teeth.
Me no want him. Me see him do watching him Jordan Spark. No.
And then nice big smile.
Nope. You see him do Jordan Spark? No.
Like really Jason? I'm
Yeah.
disappointed. Hey Jason.
You see,
Me
you
would
know,
have married
say,
you.
you see, you know, say upset him because all gonna that make my mistake and I say me go kill Black Panther. You say, we you gonna kill Black Panther? So me say, me gonna knock my mind.
Okay, go on. Ask me people them.
Alright. Kim K, Rihanna are Selena
Yes,
Gomez.
ask my Kim Kardashian. Rihanna who?
Selena Gomez.
Me I married Rihanna. Work. See me. Me I married Rihanna. Rihanna my
Alright.
girl. Bad girl.
Caribbean.
Riri.
Yeah. Alright.
And Selena Gomez, no sir.
Kill she.
You know sir.
Sure.
Dead long time.
A Kardashian is not killed by
6
the
feet
way.
answer. No,
Kardashian is
Kim,
not
no
killed.
man.
Kim K if you
No, Kim K have a buzz, but me not smash.
What
she have a
buzz?
No.
You feel batty?
You know matter how she have a buzz, leave her alone.
Maybe like fake things. I don't know.
Who doesn't know no one then?
Not me.
Me I smash Kim K. No herself.
So you smash Kim K alright then.
Yeah.
Not like Kim Kardashian.
My term now. Guys, for this is my last and final one. She can ask one after, but this is my last and final one. And this one here, I for sure pictures because everyone that people call, we're gonna put a picture. So I want to know if we're gonna smash, kill, or married. 3 fingers, sawtooth, and 1 eye.
What else? What?
Listen, I'm gonna find it on my phone
me
so
see,
she
right?
can see it. I write it there because that's my own intention. So 3 fingers and sawtooth and 1 eye, right? So this is 3 fingers. Hold on.
Me know 3 fingers.
No, that in like all of the characters are from Wrong Turn. Everybody.
Me but no, me not do it.
Anybody ever watch the movie Wrong Turn? I when I was writing, and I can know that I need something that she would definitely have to marry and smash one.
Alright, just Show me.
I know that she's gonna dread. So I'm gonna show you guys the
You know, say it's a wicked you.
I'm gonna show you
I
guys.
didn't know, so you had to set me up. So, don't worry yourself.
I'm gonna show you guys the pictures. This is 3 fingers.
Me punut.
That's 3 fingers. Keep that in mind.
What did I say? 3 finger that?
The end name 3 finger in the wrong turn. That's 3 fingers. Sawtooth. Okay. Tooth. Guys, you're gonna see the same thing. I'm gonna put it right here. And this is 1 eye. So you tell me now which one I got married, which one I got kill, and which one I got smash.
Me just commit suicide. Me tired. Nah, do it.
So alright, let's start with the kill. Which one am I gonna kill?
Me not kill me. All of them. Listen, me can't choose. You cannot choose. There's
Listen,
no.
you have to choose one man. Just listen, close the eyes.
Me see them. Close. That make it worse.
Just close the eyes and choose one man.
No, we can't do that. Please, I'm rather coming. No, me not do it. Not do it. That's a smash.
You have to smash one now.
Me not smash him.
When they lose, we can't bother. You have to smash
Me
one.
not have to do that now.
Talk which one and
I
smash.
can't smash one of them. Please, I can't do it.
And if you tell me which one you're married now, so we can introduce him as a as mommy's son. You can tell mommy I was so nice son-in-law. You know.
Me not. Can't do it.
And if show mommy a son-in-law tomorrow, so and if you
Mm.
pick your son, pick your husband.
Me can't do it. Me
And
sorry.
if you married one
I
man.
cannot do it.
You
Can't
need-
do it. Can't do it.
Alright, so which one you kill?
All of them. They dead. Let me
You
know.
can't kill all of them.
Shalisa,
The whole purpose of the game is you picking one.
she said there's no possible way me go somewhere here and test me go burn them the soup with her. I was mad. I was mad.
I can't. Hey, me say when I was writing this, I was dying of laughing. You know what?
was mad, yeah, man.
I don't want her to see.
Come here, sweat. You put me in a stress.
I was like, I don't want her to see it because I know. Hey, if you ever watch Wrong Turn, go down below and comment. And guess or no, if you ever watch Wrong Turn, watch Wrong Turn, you need to go and check out that
I don't know,
movie.
I'm not asking no more, man.
Check out that
Me
movie.
done.
That movie, trust me, check it out.
You're stressing me up, man.
So, Mistress out, so she won't tell me which one she's gonna kill.
Me tell her, say me I kill all of
No,
them.
you
me
can't
not.
kill all of them.
Well, me
So
not care.
either you kill 3 finger, sawtooth, and 1 eye.
Yeah, one eye. Girl, let's have one eye, man.
1 eye. Are you married 3 finger, sawtooth, or 1 eye? Or you smash 3 finger,
There's
sawtooth,
no
or
R
1
in
eye.
nothing. There's no,
So
no
it's-
R in nothing at
so-
all. Nothing at all.
Oh. So
But
guys, me
that's
laugh
not
until all
cool.
my eye them around water, my eye them red. Cause this one here, take the history book.
They try them if can make one. You know one of them, no? Sawtooth, one, yeah. Not
So-
3 finger.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notification bell so every time we post you get notified. Yeah, please remember, turn on that bell and go ahead and watch our previous videos. That's the one before and the other one, and go ahead and like those videos and comment. Also, this was fun. I really enjoyed this video. Also comment down below, tell us who would you smash, kill, or married as well, and your reason why you smash, kill, or married each. Just play along with us. Play along. So until next week, we will see you guys, and we are out. You can't talk because she's stressed right out. Bye.